What did you think of the quarter? Revenues declined, but there were some beats in some key segments, including the iPhone.
Yeah, when we account for the foreign exchange headwinds, then the quarter it will show growth across several key markets, including China. I think overall, despite the very tough and weak global smartphone market, iPhone did very well.
So I want to drill down a little bit and look at the device sales for Apple. That's been a point of weakness just across the board. We saw a big buy up of all these kind of devices during the pandemic, and a lot of people thought, that was a pull forward of the demand that should be here now, or hypothetically would be here now. Looking at iPhone sales, as we mentioned, those were up 2%, but Mac sales, those were down 31% year over year. The iPad sales down 13% year over year. What do you make of that, and when do you see those trends potentially reversing?
We're likely to see most trends across tablets, notebooks, reversing to later around fourth calendar quarter this year.
So was there a particular bright spot in this report that you saw? Was there something that was unexpectedly strong? We knew about the shareholder buyback, the $90 billion there. The dividend raise, was that a surprise for you? Was there anything that you think investors should maybe pay closer attention to?
I think one of the most underappreciated aspect of the March quarter earnings is how much more the capex has slowed down growing, and Apple is probably among the only one among big tech with the least amount of layoffs, and they have the most disciplined investments approach to their operating structure, and we're still seeing deceleration in OPEX growth that will support a much stronger and stable earnings growth for Apple, despite some of the weakness in the device sales.
What did you make of the services numbers? We had our Arjun Gopal on earlier today. Sam was a little bit disappointing. We've also seen Apple open up a savings account that people can put money into, which falls under the services. What do you make of all that?
Yeah, services is likely to reaccelerate in terms of year-over-year growth. We like the fact that Apple is expanding to a lot of the services that are outside of the App Store, outside of the app economy. Apple is really leveraging the strong brand trust that are utilizing more services, expanding the service offerings to increase the overall ARPU for the longer term.
All right, Martin, the big question. What is your rating? What is your price target? Have either of those changed after yesterday's report?
Our rating has not changed. We're remaining buyers of Apple, and our price target has raised from $170 to $195.
That's a big move to the upside. Just very quickly, what's the key factor in that big price target raise?
There were two factors. Number one is we are getting that earnings or EPS benefit from a lower than expected OPEX inputs. And then the second is we believe that most of the headwinds, especially around device sales, is closer. The concerns for device sales is closer to an end where we should see real recovery on year-over-year device sales growth coming into September and the December quarter.